Let's see how to open Windows shared folders on Android. Now go to the computer, then share your folder. Now go to Network Advanced Settings. Then turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. Go to Mobile and download X File Manager from Play Store. The computer and mobile must be on the same Wi-Fi network. This will take a little time. Now select your computer. Then enter the user ID and password. Now you can access your files from mobile.